Andy.
Christina, my sister, and oh yeah, and Cordell Pierce. Okay, and yeah, so just donate to the website, and I'm donating. Just donate, even if you could donate $1, and yeah. So Cordell's gonna pour water on my head. And he's orange.